Hi! In front of me is Thomson TO13P, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and tapping on Connected Devices right away. Then click on Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Then select Pair and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, just click on this gear located next to paired device. Hit Forget right next to Connect and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!